want mommy to help?
Nope.
Got it?
Got it. Oh, this works.
Oh. Oh well. Yep.
Woohoo! I wonder what it is. It's heavy.
Well, you might as well open yours while he opens his.
It's the same thing.
Yeah, it's the same thing.
Huh. What is it?
It's a little tray you can set up. You can either have, you can put them by your
You can play with your Legos on it.
you can put your Legos on it, or
you
you
eat
can have
snacks.
a snack on it. Take a little chair or tray to put up like on your chair. And cool, and then you can just sit on the floor and
Eat.
do Legos. It's a nice board on top.
Is that it?
That is for now until Santa comes. Oh, I got this.
Jesse.
Hold on,